Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of Rising Genius. Play with me Sudoku puzzle. This is a 4x4 Sudoku matrix. As you can see, there are 4 big boxes. Box 1, box 2, box 3 and box 4. In each box, there are small 4 squares. Square 1, square 2, square 3 and square 4. Okay, that's the meaning of a 4x4 Sudoku matrix. Now let's see what are the rules of the game. You need to fill in numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 in such a way that no number should repeat in any row, no number should repeat in any column, and no number should repeat in any box. So let's take for example number 2. Number 2 is already here, hence you cannot have number 2 in this row, you cannot have number 2 in this column again, and you cannot have number 2 in this big box again. Similarly, if I see number 1 here, it's already 1 is given to me. Hence, I cannot have 1 in this row, I cannot have 1 in this column, and I cannot have 1 in this box. Okay, now let's see how we play this game. Hi, today we are going to play another Sudoku 4x4 puzzle. I have my kid here with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so do you remember how to play the 4x4 Sudoku? This white box is box 1, this grey box is box 2, this grey box is box 3, and this white box is box
4.
Very good. In every box, how many squares can you see? Little squares? 1, 2, 3 and
4.
even in this box, say
1, 2, 3,
4. And you have to put numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 in every big box. Okay, and they cannot repeat in the same line, in the same row, and they cannot repeat in the same columns. Got it? Let's begin. Let's start with any box. Which box you want to start with? Tell me.
I want this box first.
Okay, this square first. Okay, so tell me what number can come here. Can 1 come here?
No, because 1 is already here.
Yes. Can 2 come here?
Yes.
2 can come. Okay. Can 3 come?
No, because 3 is already here.
Very good. Can 4 come?
No, because 4 is already
Very
here.
good. So what can come here? Only
2.
Only 2 can come. Very good. Now what is left? Which box will you do next? See, in this full line only 1 square is remaining. So which square will you do next?
This way.
This one, right? Because only 1 square is remaining in this full line. So which number is remaining here?
I know it's 4.
4. Correct. Because 1, 2, 3 has already come here. So now we'll have a 4 here. Correct. You're right. Next. Let's look at this. Now which one you wanted to tell me? Let's do this one.
Yes.
Okay. Can 1 come here?
Yes. No.
Why?
Because 1 is already in
Yes,
this box.
1 is already in here. No, it is in this big box. So we cannot have 1 in the same box. Can 2 come here?
No, because 2 is already here.
Correct. 2 is already here. 3 can come?
Yes.
3 can come. Can 4 come?
No, because 4 is already
Yes.
here.
So now what is remaining?
3.
3. So very good. Now see, in this big box only 1 square is remaining. Which is that?
Here.
Yes. So now what number is remaining?
I know 2.
Correct. Only 2 is remaining because you already have 1, 3 and 4. So only 2 was remaining. Now let's go to this box. No, first let's go to this square. Because see, in this entire row only 1 square is remaining. Right? So which number will come here?
I know it's 1.
Correct. Because there is already 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. So 1 can come here. Correct?
Yes.
There's no 1 here and no 1 in this big box. Now tell me what will come here. Can 1 come?
No, because 1 is already here.
Correct. Can 2 come?
No, because 2 is already here.
Yes, 2 is already in this box. Can 3 come?
Yes, because 3 is not in this box, this line or this line.
Correct.
No,
It's
this
not
line.
in this line and it's not in this line and it's not in this box. So I can have 3. Very good. Can I have 4 here?
4?
Hmm. In this square, can I put 4?
Yes.
Can I put 4?
Yes.
I'll put 3 comma 4. Is that correct?
Yes.
See properly. There is a 4 sitting here.
Oh.
And there is no. That 4 does not have to do anything. No, I'm talking about this square. In this square, is there a 4 in the standing line?
Oh, yes.
Yes, below, no? So you cannot go there. So now only 3 can come here. What is left here now? In this big box, what number is remaining?
This box?
This big gray box, what number is remaining?
I know what is remaining. It's 4.
Correct. Very good. It's 4. Okay. So we make it black. Now let's look at this square because only this full line may only one square is remaining. Correct?
Yes.
So tell me. So what number is left now?
It's 1.
Arey, wow. 1 is remaining. Very good. 1 is the answer because you already have 2, 3 and 4. Now let's look at this number. This square. What can come here? Tell me. Can 1 come?
No, because 1 is already here.
Correct. 2.
Yes.
2 can come here?
Yes.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
Ah, 2 cannot come. How about 3? 2 was already here, so it cannot come. What, darling? 3, you can. Okay, now see, you have to see only in straight lines. Is this a straight line?
Yes.
This is a straight line? This is a diagonal line. It's not a standing line. You have to see only in standing or sleeping line.
Yes.
Is this a diagonal line?
Yes.
Yes, so don't see diagonal line. You only have to see standing line and sleeping line. Okay, and the big box. So can 3 come now, tell me? Yes,
Yes.
because there is no 3 here and there is no 3 here. Barabar? So write 3. Very good. Now 4 can come here?
4?
Hmm.
No, because 4
4 is already up. Correct. So you can have 3. Okay?
Yes.
3 can come like this and slanting line. The number can repeat.
Yes.
That's no problem. What is remaining here? Tell me. In this
2.
big box. Ah, very good. 2 is remaining. Even 2 was remaining in this big line. Superb. Now only one square is remaining here in this line. What is this number? Tell me. Fatafat.
I know. It is 1.
Ah, you are only typing now. I am not typing only. Huh? Naughty. And how about this number?
I know what is there. It is 4.
Ah, 4. You are only typing everything. And you will now, what will you get?
Star.
You are going to get a big giant star. And what color you want this time?
I will pick yellow.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Pretty fellow, no? No? Yellow, yellow, golden fellow.
Yes.
Okay, you get a nice bright yellow star. Now say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you in the
Next